Welcome to the series of everything you need to know about Python in simplest possible way. In our previous video, we have seen how to access the values by using keys in dictionary, right? So in this video, we will know how to access the keys in the dictionary, how to access the values in the dictionary, how to access key value pairs from the dictionary. So let us go ahead and see how to access them. So to take an example, I will take an example, let's say details here. That is what the example that we have used in our previous video also, right? So I am taking details here. So in these details I will be considering some of the details. Let's say name here. So I will consider name as a key and value as a Mahesh here. So my name is Mahesh, that is the reason I am taking name as Mahesh. So after that I will take one more key, which is age, and value as 22. So after that I will consider one more key, which is gender, and the value as male here. So like this I am taking some of the key value pairs in the dictionary. So now if I execute this is got created, and if I print details here, so I am printing details here. So if I execute this, we are getting the dictionary with the key value pairs in this, right? So now how to access the keys in this whole dictionary? So to access them, we have a specific method to access the dictionary keys, which is nothing but keys. So the name itself specifies by using this method, we can able to access the keys in the dictionary. So in order to do that, we need to mention the dictionary name, which is nothing but details in this case. So after that, what we need to do is that we need to mention this dot and we need to call this keys method. So now if I execute this, we can able to see this dict keys is getting, and in this we are having an array, and in this array we are having name, age, and gender here. So like this we can able to access the keys in the dictionary itself, in the list itself, and in this list we will be getting all the list of elements of keys. So I hope you can able to understand how we can access the keys in the dictionary by using this keys method. So let us go ahead and see how we can access the values from the dictionary. So here we are having the values method. So the name itself specifies that by using these values we can able to access the values from the dictionary. So to do that I am using these details, and I will be calling these values here. So now if I execute this, we can able to see in a list we are getting all the values present in the dictionary. We have Mahesh, 22, male. So these are the values that we have in the details dictionary, right? So later, let's say, so I hope you can able to understand how we can access the values from the dictionary, right? So let us go ahead and see how to access key value pairs. So in order to access key value pairs from the dictionary, we have another method, which is nothing but items. So by mentioning this items method, we can able to access key value pairs from the dictionary. So to do that, I am taking this details dictionary. So I will be calling these items here. So now if I simply execute this, we can able to see in a list. So you can able to see, right? This is a list, and inside of this list we are having a tuple. So we are having collection of tuples. So in each tuple we are having a key value pairs, right? So in this tuple we are having a name Mahesh. This is one of the key value pair that we have in the dictionary. So after that we are having one more tuple. So in this tuple we are having age 22. So in another tuple we are having gender male. So all these are key value pairs that we are getting in a tuple inside of a list, right? So I hope you can able to understand. So this is nothing but the method that we are calling. So here in this case we are calling items method, right? That is the reason we are getting this dict items. So previously we are calling values, that is the reason we are getting dict values. So after that, at the very beginning we are calling keys, right? That is the reason we are getting dict keys. So I hope you can able to understand how we can access the keys, values, or even key value pairs from the dictionary. So that's it for this video. In the next video, we will see how we can know a specific element present in the dictionary or not. So if the element is present, we will be doing some operations. So that we will be seeing in our next video. So apart from that, how to iterate through this dictionary. So dictionary is also considered as one of the iterable, right? So how we can access and iterate through this dictionary, that we will see in our next video. So to stay updated with my latest videos, subscribe to this channel and turn on the notifications to all, so that whenever I upload any video, you will get the notification. And if you found this video interesting, hit the like button and comment whatever you think about this video. So thank you for watching this video once again. See you in the next one.